Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding and Creating. Today I'm going to take you in a walkthrough through one of our challenges called Spirals. Spirals, it looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and open up the Spirals challenge. This is a beginner level challenge and it features this mathematical sort of art sort of project. So let's just read along in this overview. In this playground, you'll learn how to draw mathematical shapes called roulettes. A roulette is a path drawn by a point on a curve as it moves along another fixed curve. To see what this means, take a look at one of the simplest kind of roulettes, the cycloid. In the cycloid above, the thick, curved line, or path, is the actual roulette. The light blue circle is the moving curve, or the wheel that draws the roulette shape. The thin, flat line near the bottom is the fixed curve, in this case a straight line, or track that the wheel moves on. And they give you a tip here. It says you can zoom in and out and touch the scene to hide everything but the spiral itself, and touch and drag and move your spiral around the screen. So you can move that, you can touch the scene and just sort of move that, but you can just sort of see just the shape by tapping on it. And you can move it around, you can resize it, things like that. It says you'll explore more complex roulettes in this playground, all built on the basic cycloid. Experiment below to visualize completed roulettes before you move on to learning how to draw them. So down here where it says on the lower left, you can tap on this code and you can try some of the different types of cycloids. So you can pick this one, and then we can say run the code, and you can see how it changes. So you can explore some of those different ones. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next, we can either hit next page down here at the bottom of the page, or you could go up here and go to the next page. So as you go through these different projects, you'll want to read the paragraphs on the left, and you'll be doing a lot of experimentation. Like you can go down here and change the track radius. So instead of 5, let's try making it 2. Let's see what happens. So now all of a sudden, instead of having those 5 points, it only has 2. Let's try making it 3. So if we do 3, all of a sudden, the shape has 3 points to it. And you can see what happens if you change the wheel radius and some of the other things. And then as you go through these different lists, you'll experiment with changing a lot of the parameters, and you can make some great art. And at the end, you can have some playtime and make some really cool shapes with everything that you've learned, and create some really interesting and fun, cool patterns. So have a great time. The challenge is called Spirals. If you're looking for it, I'm going to click in the lower right where it says See All. It's down here in this challenge section, and it's called Spirals. It's the beginner level puzzle, and you can get the Spirals app. Have fun.